Hello, Rituraj Sinha. Great to have you on The Big Idea. Thank you for taking time out. और ये भी काफी अच्छा जगह है. It reminds me of Gurgaon, but this is Noida. I must add in. अच्छा, हमारे साथ share कर लीजिए. Rituraj, your story is pretty unique. You had a great professional career at Halifax Bank. लेकिन आप वापस आया. क्यों?
Well, I mean, honestly, I, through my years at university, wanted to be a banker. So I approached the whole career with that idea that I wanted to be in an investment bank, and worked for a bit in the banking space. But then that was around the 2002 period, and 9/11 had just happened, and suddenly one realized that security sector, security sector after 9/11 became hot, and things were happening, and there was a discussion point everywhere across the world. So, you know, the idea came about, why don't I go back home and try and do something that's
so that's actually what the pivotal reason was कि आप वापस आया. अच्छा, जब आप वापस आया and you took over Securities Intelligence Services (SIS), वो initial जो period था, क्या-क्या challenges आपने face किया था?
Well, security sector has evolved tremendously in the last 15 years. So when I got involved in 2001, 2, 3, in that initial years, private security in terms of service content was still evolving. Matlab,
like, I mean, mom and pop, little.
Not mom and pop. The function that the guard performed has gone from just a basic chowkidar to somebody now who's outside, you know, like a Delhi Metro or a Bangalore Metro, who's, you know, doing frisking and X-ray machines and CCTV cameras and stuff like that. So the function that the guard performs has evolved. Now, not all of it has evolved. The more organized companies, are sort of taking on work which is more professional and more demanding in terms of job roles that a guard performs, while there is the laggard end of the industry which still continues to do chowkidari.
Okay, so that's
it's an evolving sector.
Transition has taken place. If you jump on the bandwidth where you're doing more than just the chowkidari, so the sky's the limit, I guess.
I think my point is well established through, you know, one or two just simple indicators. In 2004, this sector was $1 billion. 5,000 crore approximately. In 2018, the private security sector would be $10 billion, more than 65,000 crores. So the exponential growth in the space
is astronomical.
It's you know, it's all around you. I mean, I personally tell everybody that, you know, what is the opportunity in the sector? I mean, this sector is omnipresent. It's हमारे चारों ओर है. अगर आप सुबह से अपना schedule खुद देखें, आपके हाउसिंग सोसाइटी के बाहर आपको गार्ड दिखे होंगे.
ठीक है.
अगर आप अपने बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ने गई होंगी, वहाँ पे गार्ड दिखे होंगे. आपको आते जाते ऑफिस मार्केट्स में आपके ऑफिस में सिक्योरिटी है. जहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ पे कैमरास होंगे. और जब सड़क पे आप मूव कर रही होंगी तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं कैश वैन्स जरूर दिखेंगे. आप एटीएम में पैसा निकालने जाएंगे, वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी भी होगी, कैमरा भी होगा, और पीछे से कैश वैन कंपनी कैश इंजेक्ट करती है, तभी आप कैश निकालते हैं.
So ऋतुराज, आप जो कह रहे हैं ये बिल्कुल सही है. It's basic.
It's a basic necessity.
It's a basic necessity. जहाँ आप जाओगे आप देखोगे. So when you came back, आपके क्या-क्या ideas था to obviously make it the transition from a chowkidari to this kind of A to Z
I think
platform?
The industry has evolved and SIS has evolved. So we were in early 2000, SIS was a guards company. From there we went to a total security solution provider. We added cash management, right? We added you know, electronic security, we added cash management, we added these arms. And in the last 5 odd years, we have strived to go from a total security company now towards a business support services.
B2B services, yeah, which I will discuss with you a little later. Initially, जब आप expansion कर रहे थे, because 20 साल के अंदर you've really grown exponentially. Funding कैसे मिला? How did you manage to?
Well, SIS was the first company in the private security space to raise private equity money. So in 2007 we raised money from D. Shaw Private Equity, and now we have CX Partners as a private equity investor. But having said that, I mean, the beauty about this business services, security services space is that the incremental equity required for growth is fairly small. It's a very capital light model.
Correct.
So
not heavy expenditure.
So what the beauty about this business is that it's recurring revenues. It's not very capital intensive. It throws up a good amount of free cash flow, and it then becomes self-funding. Therefore, from an investor or an entrepreneur perspective, it is extremely attractive from a return on capital employed or return on equity perspective.
Very interesting. So I want to ask you, it's the back end ka jo hai, SIS mein. I think it's very, very important in terms of the type of quality of people you have working in terms of guards, verifications. Ye hamare saath share kar lijiye, how it all works. It's very fascinating.
I think any service business is all about evolving the service content.
Correct.
And making it uniform and consistent across. So we try and do the basics right. There is a Private Security Agency Regulation Act that lays down some basic norms for how a security guard should be trained, how he should...
So government norms?
There are some government norms.
Okay.
But then how you differentiate is how you build on that. Like for example, everybody recruits guards, right? Guards are my raw material.
Yeah, exactly. Chaukidari is your raw material.
Right. Yeah. So the manpower that we provide, you know, can look like a chaukidar, can also look like a sophisticated guard outside of a DLF Emporio mall, right? Or a Oberoi hotel.
Yeah.
The difference is three things: how you recruit, how you train and skill them, and how you manage day-to-day operations for quality consistency. So what we've managed to do is all these three critical elements that define my service content, we have put this on a absolutely technology-based platform. So today if you go to a SIS recruitment facility, it will look very much like a passport seva kendra, because it electronically does all your measurements, it scans all your documents, it takes your test on a mock interview which is recorded under video. It checks you for the basic skills.
Technology ki zarurat hai is sector mein.
You should probably come and see our training, recruitment facility.
No, we definitely have to take visual footage of this.
Absolutely.
It's sounding incredible.
So I think that I think must be highlighted, because what that does is that today SIS is able to tell you that what is the average height of my 103,000 employees across India. What is the average qualification?
I don't believe it.
I could tell you who's
That's why you're saying passport.
Who's the shortest guard, who's the tallest guard, what is the average age.
Under your banner, SIS banner ke andar?
SIS group has a total of 110,000 permanent staff. 103,800 are in India and the rest are in Australia.
I do have to add in Rituraj Sinha कि जब आप Halifax Bank में काम कर रहे थे और वापस आया, you have really grown the company exponentially. सोच भी नहीं सकता कि इतने quickly, you would have such a growth. But it could not have been easy. आसान ही हो ही नहीं सकता. कैसे किया?
Well, I think I've been very fortunate in that sense, because I landed up in the security industry just at the right time when things were sort of starting
very
to evolve.
Required, I guess.
Yeah. So the demand was growing very well. And second, I think SIS as a platform that was set up by my father in 1974 was a very strong platform. And the people who were there in the business, the real किसी भी सर्विस कंपनी का जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो उसके लोग हैं. और in 2002 SIS रेवेन्यू टर्म्स में छोटी कंपनी भले हो, पर क्वालिटी ऑफ मैनेजर्स के रूप में बहुत मजबूत कंपनी थी. तो बेसिकली उन लोगों का एफर्ट है, उन लोगों की मेहनत है जिसने एक 25 करोड़ की कंपनी को एक 4000 करोड़ की कंपनी बनाया.
Fantastic. I mean, it's insane. Now, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी है वो, you branched out there as well.
Well, SIS is the first Indian multinational in security services space.
Correct.
So, just in 2008, we went and acquired Australia's largest security company. So today in Asia Pacific region, we are number 2 in terms of revenue. Roughly $750 million all put together. In the global ranking table, we are number 11 in terms of size.
Globally.
Globally. So it's a great example of what you can do in
made
India.
in India brand.
It
You
is.
said it. These days, I'm doing this big idea with just made in India brands.
This is a made in India brand.
Incredible. I mean, what would you say? What would you attribute to this success, the phenomenal trajectory of SIS in terms of your involvement? आप अभी
Well,
तक इतने
I
young
think-
हो.
I
Sky's the
think-
limit.
I think, I could speak for my business. I think what we have taken to the world in terms of our Australia venture,
Yeah,
and after that we've had 3 global joint ventures and partnerships in the last so many years. I think what SIS has been able to demonstrate, and I think what India brings to the table is more hard-working managers than probably anywhere you could get. India's greatest blessing and India's greatest asset is its people. And I agree so much with our Prime Minister every time he talks about the Skill India program. If we equip our people, whether he's a worker or a manager, with the right skills, anything is possible, and that's been demonstrated. I mean, today, it is our team in India which will, at some point in time, venture out into other countries in Southeast Asia and lead businesses in those countries. So I think the quality of management that we have is at par with the best in the world.
हमारे साथ शेयर कर लीजिए. बहुत सारे verticals actually है अभी SIS banner में.
So SIS does end-to-end business support services.
अच्छा, ये exactly क्या है?
So business support services starts with something like security, which is your man guarding, electronic security, cash management, and then it also gets into the business support services area. So we have companies called Service Master, which is a facility management company, which does cleaning and maintenance and all that. And then we have
No, so आप cleaning and maintenance बोलो, then it's not security as per se.
that's why it's business support services.
Okay,
So we
that's
ventured
interesting.
from total security solution
Yeah,
provider to a
an
business
A to
services
Z,
provider.
yeah,
Right.
business. हाँ.
We have a joint venture with the world's largest pest control company,
Okay.
Terminix US.
हाँ.
So today SIS is a group of 8 subsidiaries, each one pursuing a separate vertical within the business support services
Yeah, conglomerate, correct.
space. So it's all these 8 companies put together that make us a platform which operates across 560 districts in India. It's the largest service delivery network.
Yeah, yeah. और कहाँ? Where all? Which cities?
So it is from Imphal, we have a branch to Jamnagar in Gujarat, and from Jammu up north to Kochi. So SIS branches are spread across. In a city like Delhi or Bangalore or Mumbai, SIS would have 15 to 20 branches of all these businesses put together. So there'll be 10 guarding branches, 2 cash branches, there'll be pest control branches, cleaning branches.
Correct. Fantastic, huh? How you've grown in the last 15 years.
So it's simply, I think
Really
it's simply about encircling the customer and the opportunity. So when you set up a business, or whether it's a factory, plant or a small office, you are very likely to hire some kind of security.
Correct.
You are likely to buy some cameras.
Yeah.
You would want some cleaning support and stuff.
Exactly.
You will need pest control.
Very true.
Right.
These are all the basic requirements in India
So
as of
that's
today.
why it's called business support
Correct,
services,
I've
because
understood, yeah.
it sort of
In A to
encircles
Z, yes,
Yeah.
yeah, encircles.
and it encircles the customer. And I think the essential part also is that now that there's so much talk about Make in India,
Correct.
even Swachh Bharat, these programs are directly affecting demand generation for our sectors. So more infrastructure
Benefiting
spend,
you, yes,
more
yes.
infrastructure spend, more
Correct.
construction, more factories,
Totally, yeah.
more production, more
Sky's the
startups.
limit, exactly. More
Yeah.
startups. So young, so ambitious. You've achieved so much,
I'm not as
Rituraj.
young as you think I am.
Well, you look young, so go for it. Enjoy that moment. But I want to understand कि SIS के जो बैनर है, आगे अभी प्रेजेंट और आगे क्या सोच है कंपनी के लिए?
Well, I mean, SIS is a 4,000 crore consolidated revenues group this year. So,
What a feat, huh?
well, I think
Oh,
we've come a long way
incredible.
from where we were, but I think what's more exciting for me is that the future prospects are tremendous.
Okay.
So, India, for example, if it continues to grow at the fast clip that it's growing, we expect that the demand for private security, for cleaning, for pest control, for electronic security, cash management, is just going to grow multifold.
Sky's the limit.
So I think, I mean, we believe that, I mean, our Vision 2020 is about, doubling the revenues of SIS to 8,000 crore plus. It's about...
How do you plan to do that? What are the...
Well, I think each of these businesses is growing exponentially by itself. Like, for example, our guards business, the 5-year compounded annual growth is upwards of 35%. Our cash business, 5-year compounded annual growth is upwards of 30%. Our cleaning business grew 52% last year. So organic growth is a tremendous opportunity. And then obviously we hope at some point to tap the capital markets, raise some money, and maybe then work towards consolidating the sector through some acquisitions. So, hopefully that will bring us to a reasonable size.
So in which of these sectors do you find the most revenue stream coming from?
Well, it's very hard for me to say, because I think, the reason why we put it as separate, strategic business units is because we didn't want to compromise the opportunity in one for the other.
I've understood. So
we segregated them. So the guarding business itself can grow, 25-30% for the next 5 years. Organic plus inorganic. Cash business can maintain similar growth rates. Electronic security can be very big itself. So I think all these businesses will grow exponentially organically, and if we can also be the first one to raise significant capital and do consolidation, then I think we have once in an industry lifetime opportunity in India.
How is this for a young budding entrepreneur? And I add this in also because your company काफी काम कर रहे हैं in terms of vocational training and encouraging youngsters to get involved into this space. इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ.
Well, I think security is a fantastic career opportunity. I mean, we've been hiring from IIMs in the last 2 years. Not something that you would sort of
expect or hear exactly.
So I think people now recognize that there is a career opportunity here, and I think the beauty of this sector is that it offers career opportunity to all levels of young India. If you are a landless, rural youth with just a 10th qualification, we have a career opportunity for you. And if you're a IIM grad and you want to do something in an emerging sector, we have a career opportunity for you.
I love that. I love the two diametrically opposite examples you've given. That is so amazing. Or for a young budding entrepreneur.
Absolutely. I think, there are so many startups in the security space and the opportunity is huge. I think the entire sector is growing. It's not just one or two companies. So I think there is so much to be done in this space, and I'm sure that this sector will also see a huge number of startups
coming up. Yeah. Rituraj, give us some of your gyan. I mean, in such a quick period of time, you have just risen and grown so exponentially. And I must add in, through transparency, through ethics, through all the right ways of doing business. हमारे audience young है, share कर लीजिए.
I think, I don't think I have any serious gyan to give anybody. I'm still learning myself, but few things that I've learned, sometimes the hard way. I think in a people business, in a people business and a service business, I think one of my big learnings is that people come first, your employees come first, before your customers. So that's the way I approach my business. My people are my product. My customer satisfaction is linked to my people. So if I can keep my people motivated and satisfied, that's the first positive step towards a happy customer. So
so one first time anybody's ever said that.
So I mean, I could be proved wrong, but I think my belief is that people come first. My employees come before anybody else, and I think if a service business which is very people dependent, like our business,
completely people dependent,
focuses on the proposition for its employees and how to get them to be better individuals, to render a better service as a guard, render a better service as a cleaner or a cash van operator. If we can just enable them to do that, I think that directly impacts my customers.
Wow. Where do you see SIS 5 years down the line, or 10? Dream plan?
Well, I think the next $1 billion+ security services giant will be from this part of the world. Whether it's us or it's somebody else, that time will tell. But I think in terms of opportunity, India is by far the best place to do business support services in the world at the moment.
It has really been fantastic chatting with you, Rituraj.
My pleasure. Thanks so much.
Wish you all the best of luck in SIS, and may you continue to grow and grow exponentially.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.